How to clear Safari search history on iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of Apps. Once you're over here, you're gonna find different app options. Head over to the app Safari. Once you find it, click on it. Now scroll down, click on this option, Clear History and Website Data. Check in for the option All History and enable for the option Close All Tabs. Click on Clear History. Likewise, scroll down, click on the option of Advanced. Now click on the option Website Data. At the top right, you're gonna find the option of Edit. Click on it. In this page, you're gonna find the list of the searches that you have made. Click on it and then select the option of Delete. With that, it will be deleted. So this is how you can easily clear Safari search history on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.